Hey everyone, Luke here with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about what you can expect in this week with phone flipping and the recent price drops and what's going on in the Middle East. Let's go. Hey everybody, Luke here. So for those of you guys that have been wondering, a couple of you messaged me asking me to do a video on what's going on this week for prices and what to expect. So this is not going to be a great week for phone flipping. I don't expect any prices to recover. And there's a big reason for that. It's actually the holiday season right now in the Middle East. So you can basically expect for this week, based on what I know and what my contacts are telling me, Verizon and AT&T will be around the same price this week as CDMA. So Verizon and AT&T, I'm going to repeat that again, Verizon and AT&T, unfortunately, are going to be around the same price as CDMA. So not a good thing. However, anything can happen between now and next week. So you know, you just kind of got to hold out or sell out. It's one of the two, kind of like I said in the video a few weeks ago. I don't really see the prices going any lower than they are right now. However, they are pretty low. But, however, I always recommend that you should buy at your own risk level. So buy at your own recommended risk level. Like, if you're willing to take the risk on, you know, spending $5,000 or $10,000 and prices dropping again later this week or next week, that's the risk that you're willing to take. So you gotta take those risks, but you got to do it on your own assessment level. You got to, you know, keep that in mind that, hey, if you spend $5,000 or $10,000 and, you know, you lose $1,000 next week because prices drop on everything you bought, keep that in mind, or stick to the safe side and lowball everybody that you meet because of the fact that all of these prices are dropping and it's unstable. But that being said, a lot of major buyers aren't doing much buying this week because of the fact that the Middle East is having its holidays right now. So this is going to go on, you know, throughout this week basically. Not a lot of people are buying, and with prices being low anyways, it makes it even more difficult. So what I predict for this week is prices are going to stay low, and if they do anything, I would imagine that they might even go lower. I don't think they're going to go lower, but I don't really see them skyrocketing or anything this week because of the fact that it's holidays right now in the Middle East. I mean, you know, they're not really in business mode right now. So if there's going to be a fix or an unlock, etc., they're probably not working on it because it's the holiday season. So that's why a lot of my contacts who are, you know, directly exporters, they're not buying right now because it's the holidays. They're finally taking some time off, that well-deserved time off, you know, from all that phone flipping, buying, selling, exporting, invoicing, etc., packaging, shipping out, refunding, you know, deductions. I mean, there's a lot into this business. When you start doing volume, it's more work than it seems. I mean, it's not physically hard work, but it's mentally hard work. You know, you get mentally exhausted, I would say, at the end of the day when you are going through deductions, going through invoices, going through opening new packages, shipping out other packages. It can be exhausting some days. You know, it can be busy, but hey, it's best to stay busy. So that is kind of my thoughts on what's going to happen this week. Like I said, holidays in the Middle East, so you can expect prices to either stay the same, potentially get lower, but hey, anything can happen, you know, between now and next week. They could somehow go up. You never know, but it is the holidays in the Middle East for those of you out there that did not know that. So keep that in mind. Holidays in the Middle East, prices will probably just stay where they're at, and hopefully they don't go any lower. So proceed this week with caution. It is Monday. Just kind of wanted to throw this out there. Want to make sure people are being cautious and want to keep people aware on what's going on overseas in the Middle East, you know, where the people actually set the prices, not middlemen, but people who actually set the prices, direct buying companies that are very large exporters. These people set the prices. They're on holidays right now. So keep that in mind. Buy at your own risk assessment, you know, assess the risk and then ask yourself, do you want to take that risk? Be careful, and if all else fails, just lowball people and make sure no matter how low the prices go, you will make money if you lowball people and you get the deal. So just keep all that in mind this week. Want to make sure everybody out there is making money. I want to see everybody win. Don't want to see anybody losing money. So that being said, I hope all of you got some value from this video, and I hope it helps some of you out on what to do this next week and what kind of strategy you should be using, which is get everything as cheap as possible. So thanks again, everyone. Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.